This is the soon-to-be-released Redmi K80 Ultimate Edition. This is the soon-to-be-released Redmi K80 Ultimate Edition. You can see the round camera, the one we have is blue, and on the side there is a right-angle middle frame. Of course, it also wraps around the back to ensure a good feel in hand. The entire device's design is relatively very minimalist. What's interesting is that the front uses a large R-angle flat screen. Everyone can experience the screen-to-body ratio. But today's video not only focuses on this, but also on the invitation for the Redmi K80 Ultimate Edition. Inside, Redmi sent 3 vinyl record pendants with the words "Classic Understanding Comes at the End of the Song" printed on them.
What is it for? So next, pay attention. This is a K80 Extreme Edition. When we tap it, it directly opens a playlist interface. What's inside? The dock. Brothers, how many points would you give this speaker